So hi guys, this is the fourth video of breaking the AI, and today I'm gonna talk about another module, and which is the most important module in when you're creating an AI. And the name of this module is speech recognition. As the name suggests, we are gonna recognize the speech, or I should say we're gonna convert the speech to text. Okay, so let's get started. The module name is, again I'll repeat, speech recognition, and I'm gonna first show you how to download this module with the help of pip install. Okay, so the process is very simple. Go to cmd, and the already defined default location is my user location. And if I write pip install here, pip install uh, speech uh, recognition. So pip is not recognized as an internal or external command because it is not present in the user file, it is present in the python file. Okay, so I have to first go to python, open file location, just copy my steps. Okay, and you see you go to open file location, and go to script, copy this. Okay, this is the location where my pip is present. You see here where the error is not gonna give if you write pip. Okay, so we have to change the location from user default to this location script. Okay, so you have to write cd and then control v. Yeah, you have now reached this location, the script location where pip is present. So write pip install install speech recognition. Okay, notice the spelling or the notation of speech recognition here. S is capital, R is capital, and they are joined together. If I press enter, requirement already satisfied, and as I have already downloaded the speech recognition module. So let's go back. Okay, so we'll start our syntax. Okay, it's pretty simple, and you'll be able to understand it with the context only. The meaning is when I write the code, you'll understand it because it's simple English. Okay, so first you have to write, of course you have to import your speech recognition module. So speech, and notice here the notation is pretty different from what you write with the pip install. Okay, you have to write speech underscore recognition. Okay, not capital S and capital R joined together. Okay, this is pretty different. So as sr I'm using to make it simpler. Okay, so yeah, so we'll define a variable here next. It's known as r. I'll name it as r, you can name it as anything else. R is equals to sr dot recognizer. Okay, as the name suggests, it is a recognizer. It's gonna recognize our speech. Okay, now I'm gonna use with syntax with sr dot microphone as source. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this. This is also very simple to understand. Sr dot microphone, I'm going to use microphone as my medium or source to recognize my speech. Okay, and I'm using here with syntax. Okay, something similar to when we handle file handling or opening file. This is something similar to that, but not exactly the same. Okay, so we are going to use microphone as my source, or I should say my medium of taking my speech or recognizing my speech. Okay, now we need an audio. We need to recognize our speech. The microphone need to listen our audio. So I'm going to name it audio, a variable audio is equal to r dot listen. Okay, and my source. So I hope you understand this. R dot listen and source. Let me recheck it. Oh yeah, r dot listen. Yep. So r dot listen and source, and the next thing would be my text. Okay, converting the audio to text. This is an audio object. Now I have to convert the audio object to text so that we can understand. Is equal to text is equals to r dot recog, just wait a minute, recognize underscore Google and source, or sorry, it would be audio. Yep, yeah, but recognize, yes. So with sr dot microphone as source, audio is equals to r dot listen source, text is equals to r dot recognize Google, audio. So recognize Google, I'm here going to use Google API. There is another method also known as Spinix, which works offline. This will work with internet, but I'll use here Google as it's simple. With Spinix you might get an error, and that's pretty hard to handle. You will not get the solution in the internet as well. Okay, so now you have converted it. Now print text. That's it. Now you're done. I'm gonna write here a print statement so that the user can understand when the speech recognition is taking place. So listening. Okay, so done. Our code is completed. Now we are ready to run it. I'm sorry. So listening. Hi, my name is Himanshu. Hi, my name is Himanshu. Yeah, that's it. Sometimes the speech is not recognized. There is an error in microphone or your internet is not connected. So to handle that problem, to handle that issue, I'm gonna write this command in a try and accept method. Okay, try. I hope you understand what try and accept method are. If you don't, I'll explain you in just a few minutes. Right, and accept, exception, exception, print speech not recognized. Speech not recognized. Please check your internet connection. Okay. Okay. So yeah, accept exception. Print speech not recognized. Please check your internet connection. Okay. And inside else I'm gonna put this. Okay, try and accept. Let me explain you what try and accept does. Inside try we actually write our real code, and inside the accept we write if there is an error what we have to do. Let me explain you again. For example, this is a piece of code. Okay, I write inside the text. If I get an error, then my error would go inside the accept. Okay, this is a condition which would be printed or which would be executed when there is an error. That's why I accept exception. Okay, if there is an error, it's gonna print speech not recognized. Please check your internet connection. If the code is perfect, if there is no error, the code will be immediately transferred to the else statement. Okay, print text. So let me explain you again. Audio is equals to r dot listen source. Text is equals to r dot recognize. If it's not able to recognize my speech, it's gonna go to the accept function. Okay, here, and it's gonna print speech not recognized. If there is none error, then my code would go to the else statement and it's gonna print out the text. Okay, for example, let me show you. Control B. Hi, my name is Himanshu. Hi, my name is Himanshu. Yeah. Okay, so if I'm not connected to the internet connection, as I told you, Google API requires strong internet connection. And if I'm not connected to an internet connection, then it's not gonna recognize my speech, hence giving me an error. Okay, so hi, my name is Himanshu. Speech not recognized. Please check your internet connection. Yeah. So I hope you understand this perfectly. And this is the piece of code. We can actually make a talking Tom, something like a talking Tom with the help of speech recognition and PyTTSX3, which I'll show you in just a few minutes. Okay. So I think I'm done with the code. I have combined successfully PyTTSX3 and speech recognition as SR. Okay, and now I'm gonna run my code. Okay, there is a syntax error. Okay, just wait a second. Yep, yeah, there's another syntax error. And just a second, I apologize for the same. Yeah. Hi, my name is Himanshu. Speech not recognized. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not connected to an internet connection. Sorry, apologize for the same. Yeah. Hi, my name is Himanshu.
Hi, my name is Himanshu.
Terminate the program.
Terminate the program.
Okay. Terminate the program. Yeah, speech not recognized. Okay. So there I have an issue with terminating the program. Okay, so program was not being terminated. I got what my issue was. Program was not being terminated because I forgot to write condition is equals to false. When I say program terminated, it recognizes that program has been terminated, but is it does not stops the program because I forgot to write condition is equals to false. So that's a pretty simple issue which you'll get while coding. Of course, we'll get an error. We'll hit and try, then we'll learn how to code. So that's the nature of learning. You first fail and then then correct your mistakes. So thank you. I hope you like the video.